गाइस अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। हाउ आर यू ऑल? आप सबका स्वागत है मेरे चैनल हंसी स्टोरीज़ में। तो जो आज का मेरा टॉपिक है उसका नाम है मुफ्ती अब्दा। मुफ्ती Abda was a pupil of Jamaluddin Afghani and working with him on many projects includes magazines from Paris in which they presented their views about Islam. Abda carried on the mission of Afghani after his death. He taught at the Al Azhar University in Egypt and also wrote many various articles to raise the local population against the influence of the British in their country. The revolt against the British was not successful, but Abdu continued to be respected by many peoples. He was appointed the Mufti-e-Azam on the Grand Mufti and held that post until his death. Muhammad bin Ali Sunsari was an Algerian religious leader who founded a Sufi sect in 1837 AD. Unlike the other Sufis, he believed in the fighting wars. His followers founded their training camps in Libya, where they support their Ottomans in their fight against Italians in other countries of Africa, such as Niger, Chad, Algeria. They fought against the French. The followers of the sect were also called Sunnis, like Jamaluddin Afghani. They were also opposed to the influence of the colonialist. In 1940 AD, the countries of Europe went to war. This war also spread out the countries occupied by the Europe catalyst. In this way, the war was fought almost all over the world. Is continues for 4 years. More than 37 billion people got killed. Australia and Germany started the war and were joined by the Ottomans. They were called the Central Powers. Other countries of Europe decided to help each other in the defending their includes Great Britain, France, Russia, Italy, and the USA in the war. Many of the Islamic countries of South Asia, especially the Arabs, cooperation with the allies to get rid of the Ottomans' rule. The rule Sunnis, however, still remained faithful to the Ottomans and sided with the Central Powers. However, the Central Powers lost the war in the end, and the Ottoman empires came to end. Algeria leader who founded a Sufi sect and a leader South Asian aided magazines Hamdard in Urdu and Comrade in Secretism and the British rule. Emperor was the Caliph of the Muslims world. He launched the strong movement and the British asked that to leave some South Asia. It was called the Khilafat movement because his aim was save the Caliph or Khilafat. The Hindus also joined the movements because they also wanted to British to leave South Asia. However, Muhammad Jinnah, who know literally Quaid-e-Azam and Allama Iqbal, did not support the movement because they thought the movement based on the emotional approach rather than a political one. The Muhammad Ali Johar is a brother of Shaukat Ali, were both arrested by the British and ambassadors. So guys, today our topic is complete. I hope you enjoy the video. Like our video and subscribe our channel Hasi Stories, and see you in next video.